You're welcome to the TBX trading course, and in today's video we're just going to have we're going to do a little correction on the previous video on structure. Most times when I tend to teach structure, I usually make this little mistake of mixing higher highs with lower highs with higher lower highs with lower higher lows and the likes and the likes. I always make that mistake. But also I'm also writing a book on structures, so by God's grace, when I'm done with the book, I think I'm a little bit more confident that inside the book there should be less mistake than there will be inside this video. So I just want to have a quick revision on correction on structures. So this is actually an offline chart, as you can see. This is an offline chart. So we're not going to be able to use most of these tools. As you can see, the tools are not going to be functional. So we're just going to use only these two to be pointing out our higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows with this two. So we're going to start from we're going to take it into one after the other. We're going to be looking at the trends one after the other. So now let's start with this downtrend. In the downtrend, we have two major swings that we should be looking at, and that's the lower high and the lower low. So I'm changing to 16. Oh, sorry. This should be the lower high, that's LH, and the lower low, that's LL. So let's start. So we're going to be using, I don't know if you guys can see the line on my crosshair. This line, let me see if I can increase the line. Everything is actually offline, so I can't do much at this moment. I don't know if I can, let me see if I can increase crosshair. It should be somewhere here. Should be somewhere. Should be skills. Come on. Okay, canvas. Crosshair, yeah. So I'm going to make it very um black just for today here. Let me even make it thick here for today's class. So now now I want you guys to be looking at something now. I'm going to take this and put this here. So this is where the trend is going to start. This is our lower high and this is our lower low. Normally we're supposed to call this the high low, but let's assume that this is already a downtrend from the beginning. So this is a lower high and this is a lower low. So when I'm going to point the cursor at the low, I want you guys to look at here. I want you guys to see where price broke below this. So if you look at it, you're going to find out that price broke below this low somewhere around here. Somewhere around it. Just look at it again. You can see that price broke below the low somewhere around here. Then price came up. Then this will become the lower high. Price broke, then came up. You see, price broke this low. Let's say there's a straight line from here to here. Price broke the straight line, then came up. This will become the lower high. Guess what? This is going to become the lower low too. But well, today I want us to just look at the major swings. So very soon we are going to go into an in-depth knowledge of external and internal swing liquidity. So all these ones, like this one I'm talking about, this one is actually very reasonable. But the fact is that I just want you guys to look at the major swings for now. That is, what are the major swings? They are the swings that stand out. This is a major swing low. This is a major swing high. This is a major swing low, and this is a major swing high. This is a major swing low. This is a major swing high. This is also a swing high, but it is not a major swing high. It's a minor swing high. You see this one too. You see this one too. You can see this ones, this ones, this ones, this ones. They are all minors or intermediate. Yeah, let's just call them minor. So let's bring this back to this place. So to make things clear, we're going to be looking at the major swing. And how do you know a major swing high or a swing low? It is when it has a very, very obvious retracement. It's as simple as that. For instance, price give us this lower high, lower low, then boom, then price broke around here, boom. You see that price broke this line around that side. So when price broke it, price give us this very obvious retracement or very obvious pullback. So Then this is going to be our new lower high. Then this is going to be our new lower low. Then we'll wait for price to break the low of this lower low again. Boom, where the price broke it around somewhere here. Just look at it. As you can see, price broke it around this place. So as price broke it, then boom, the next um major swing high before price continues going down. So that before price continues the bearish movement. So this is going to be our new lower high, and this is going to be our new lower low. Then if we put it on the lower low, find that boom, price broke it somewhere around here. Then after price broke it, then this is going to be our lower high, and this is going to be our lower low. So we put this around here, price broke it around here, boom, and this is going to be our new lower high. You can see how simple it is. This is going to be our new lower low. If you put this in the lower low, once our price broke it somewhere around here, boom, this is going to be our new lower high, and this is going to be our new lower low. If you put it in the lower low too, you can see that price broke it. But what happened there? Price broke the lower low, then price went back to break the lower high. So it means that there is a change of character right here. That is a break of structure that changes the trend, a break of structure that led to the change of this trend. So it means that this is no longer going to become, this is going to be a low, this is going to be a high. This is the low of the new uptrend, and this is going to be the high of the new uptrend. So here is going to be, it's no longer going to be a lower low, but it's going to be an higher low. That's the mistake I made throughout in the last video. So it's going to be an higher low, and this is going to be an higher high or a higher high. So let's continue moving. So if you put this at this high here, then boom, price broke this high, price broke it right here. Then this is going to be the new higher high, and this is going to be the new higher low. So right back. Yeah, sorry about that. Had a call. So now where do we stop? So yes, so now for we to get the next higher high, we will be expecting price to break this high, then boom, price broke this high. I don't just like what we discussed in the lower time frame, we could have called this our next higher high and call this our next higher low. But we are looking for we want to look at the major swing highs and major swing lows, the ones that shows a very obvious swing retracement. So after price broke this high, this is the major swing high, and this is the major swing low. So don't worry, you actually just get used to it after practicing for a while. There's no any like hidden secrets to it. You actually just get used to it after a while. So then if you put this at the if I put this in this high, price broke this high here, price, and this is the low. So this is the higher high, and this is the higher low. If I put this here, you can see that price broke this high and came back to break this low. So this is going to be an high, and it's going to be a low. This is going to be high, and this is going to be a low. So subsequently, we're going to be having what we're going to be having we're going to go back to a downtrend. So this is actually a change of character that will take us back to a downtrend. But if you notice something happened here. Instead of price to, this is a lower high, this is a lower high, and this is a lower low, and this is a lower low. Now instead of price to break this low lower low, sorry, lower low, instead of price to break this lower low, price came after price, instead of price to do something like this, come to somewhere around here, then boom, price came back to break this high. Are we going to call this an uptrend? No, This means that the price is ranging, is consolidating. I can see it is not specific. It broke this low, came up, came down, broke this high. It is not it is not currently in a specific trend. So we can say it is in a sideway trend. It's as simple as that. So that is, if I put this here and here, we'll call it a sideway trend. So I hope this kind of clears things up on structures. So probably in the next video, this video is going to be named extra 001, as because you guys only need 5 videos per week, or any other videos coming in that week is going to be extra. So this is going to be extra 001, and the next video is going to be extra 002. We're going to talk about, we're going to go deep a little bit about structures, and I'm going to start talking about this internal this internal liquidity, or this internal structures, or these internal structures. We're going to start talking about these internal structures, and probably how to label them, or their significance, and the likes and the likes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. See you guys in the next video.